Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. It's Judy from Vigorant Tech. Are you tired of looking for a remote control vehicle to handle tough terrain? Well, look no further than Vigorant Tech, one of the top leading wireless radio control rubber track chassis manufacturers in China. Let me tell you more about it. Let's get started.
This remote control chassis is beautiful in appearance. The fuselage is large and the space reserved for development is sufficient. The frame of the machine is reinforced to prevent deformation and displacement. The track is 15 centimeters wide, made of construction rubber and capable of working in muddy, rough, and sloping environments. This product is modified on the basis of our very mature remote control lawn mower. It is an economical chassis product. It adopts the mature walking motor controller on our remote control lawn mower, which has the characteristics of sensitive response and fast response speed. The built-in smart chip can intelligently detect the current and heating conditions, which can ensure stable use all year round. And it has a slow start function. The operation is smooth, and there will be no frustration when accelerating or decelerating suddenly. Equipped with a function expansion HUB, which can control additional for channels, it can easily control and expand other functions required by customers without professional remote control knowledge. This remote control crawler chassis has a 300 kilograms payload and 4 kilometers per hour walking speed. On the basis of our chassis, you can add other functional modules freely to create a new vehicle that meets your own needs. The effective remote control distance can be up to 200 meters. Control panel is designed quite simple and clear. We also installed an emergency stop button on it to ensure the safety of users in emergency situations. Using well-known brand brushless DC gear motor, gearbox and motor integrated design, very beautiful, prevent oil leakage and ensure a longer lifespan. Special design driving wheels are cast and then CNC engraved, which are strong and durable. Track-driven wheel, made of cast steel which used for heavy equipment. It's much heavier, stronger and more durable. Thank you, that's all. Now let me show you how to operate it. First, start the power of the remote control. Then turn on the power of the machine. Go forward, backward, turn left, turn right. This is the button for speed control. Low speed, high speed. This is cruise control. Turn off the power of the machine. Turn off the remote control.
That's all. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Bye bye.